Hello, my dear students. In this video, I will explain about the circle. Circle is very important topic for you because this is in class 10 as well as 11, 12, everywhere. You have to use the concept of the circle, especially the area and perimeter. Perimeter, also known as the circumference of the circle. For any circle, only the two things are required. One, that is center, and the second, radius. If the two things known, you can find everything about the circle. For example, you can construct the circle if you know the center and radius. You can find the equation of the circle if you know radius and center. You can find the area, you can find the circumference. Circle like this. This is the two-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional. And in this figure, in this circle, the inside there is a center, that is C. And on the circle, this is called the circumference. If we take a point on the circle, and this point, from this point, if you measure this length, R you can say. So this is called circumference of the circle. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 are 3.14. Whatever written in the question that you have to use. So it will be mentioned in the question what you will take. 22 by 7 are 3.1. The value of pi. Pi is a constant quantity and this is an irrational number. ये एक irrational number होता है. It is not the rational. Second thing, the radius, as you know, this is the radius, that is I have taken the 2 pi r. Area of this circle is equal to pi r square, means pi into radius square. This is the area. And circumference area, no other things in this circle. इसके अलावा और कोई सर्कल में चीज नहीं है in your standard. But if you cut this circle from the middle, means you can say the semicircle. This semicircle is like this. C is the center, and this is the R. You can say the curved part of the semicircle. In this case, the perimeter of curved part, there are the two types of perimeter in the semicircle, not in the circles. In circle only the 2 pi r is the perimeter. Perimeter and circumference both are same. So in this, the perimeter of the curved part, मतलब सिर्फ ये part, इस part का जो perimeter है, that is the half of the perimeter of the circle, means pi r. This is the perimeter. But if asking the complete only the perimeter of semicircle, perimeter of semicircle, equal to, you will add the perimeter in this diameter, that is 2r. So it will be pi r plus 2r. This is the perimeter of the semicircle. Then area of the semicircle, this is just half area of the circle, means pi r square by 2. Similarly, if you divide again this semicircle in two parts, so what you will get? This type. And in this case, this circle is known as quarter circle. And here this is the center, this is the point A, this is the point B. So this will be the radius and this will be the radius. So what is the circumference or perimeter of the curved part in quarter circle? So that will be the just 1/4 of the total circle, 1/4, which means this will be pi r by 2. Perimeter of the curved part in quarter circle will be pi r by 2. And perimeter of quarter circle will be pi r by 2 and plus r plus r, that is 2r. Well, this part. This is the perimeter of the quarter circle. Pi r by 2 plus 2r. And the area of the quarter circle will be just 1/4 of the total circle, means 1/4. Then the last thing is here is area of ring. Area of ring. What is ring? When you have the two circles like this, and both the circle having the same center, that is C, and this is R1 and this is R2, means radius of the outer circle is R2 and radius of the inner circle is R1. So how will you find the area of this shaded part? Means area of shaded part, that is also called the area of ring. This is also called, and in this case the external area of the external circle minus area of internal circle. External circle का area निकालें minus internal circle. So this is the pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, and then you can take common pi, to r2 square minus r1 square. This is the area of shaded part. What is the thickness of this ring? Thickness मतलब ये कितनी? What is this? This is the R2 minus R. The thickness of the ring is R2 minus R. So the questions based on the area, circumference of the circle, especially the questions are based directly on the formula, so you can do questions, exercise 16.3 in this. Question number 4. Find the radius and circumference of circle whose area is 144 pi centimeter square. Area of circle is given. This. You have to find radius and circumference. Circumference denoted by C. Find the radius and circumference. So how to find? Area is given 144 pi. So what is area? According to question, the area of circle is pi r square, and this is already equal to 144 pi. ये जो एरिया है, this is 144 pi, तो pi r square is equal to this. Pi cancel, r square is equal to 144, so r is equal to under root 144, and this is equal to 12. 12 centimeters. After getting the r, you can find the circumference, and circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into 12 means 24 pi centimeter. Circumference is the type of length. The unit is centimeter, meter, but the area, the unit is centimeter square, meter square, something. Next question of this. One figure is given, question number 7. It is easy one. This is the shaded part. O, A, B, B and C. AC is equal to 16 centimeter. It is given. Calculate the area and perimeter of the shaded part. You have to find the area and perimeter of shaded part. Area and perimeter of shaded part, and also pi is equal to given 3.14. This is given. How to find the area of shaded part? These two are diameters and are perpendicular. If these are the perpendicular, it means this part is the 1/4 of the circle, because all are 1/4. So ये भी 1/4, ये भी 1/4, ये भी. Why this 1/4? So we told the angle of the point at a point is 360 degree, and 90, 90, 90. The 4 times the 90 degree, it means 360. So it is the 1/4 of the circle. जब ये 1/4 है, तो area of the quarter circle, and how many quarter circle? 2 quarter. So what you will get the area? That is 2 into pi r square by 4. AC is equal to 16 centimeter. This one. It means this is the diameter. So what is the radius? If 2r is equal to, diameter is 16 centimeter, so r is equal to 8 centimeter. Put here 2 to the 4 pi into 8 square by 2. So it will be 3.14 into 64 by 2. So 232 and then multiply these two, you will get the area. .48 is the area in centimeters square. Then perimeter of the shaded part. Perimeter of the shaded part means what perimeter you will do. Shaded part जो मतलब perimeter जब कहा जाता है तो how much portion is touched with the shaded part. कितना portion इस सर्कल का जितना पूरे सर्कल का टच है. You can see here OA is touched. This part is touched. This part, this line is touched. This one is touched. You can see the shaded part is touched with this line, with this part, and with this part. So it means जितनी भी लेंस ये दिखाई गई है इस सबको ऐड करना है. So the perimeter will be, अब हम इसको OA plus OB plus AD को हम इसमें लिख रहे हैं R. This is the R. Okay. Then OB plus OC and plus BC R. अब OA कितना है सारे रेडियस है तो 8 plus 8 and what is AD? R. ये कितना अभी हमने बताया पेरीमीटर कर्व्ड पार्ट है तो दैट इज pi r by 2. This is plus 8 plus 8 plus again pi r by 2. क्योंकि ये जो पार्ट है दिस इज द क्वार्टर सर्कल में जो फॉर्मूला बताया है पेरीमीटर का पहला वो. अभी कितने होंगे 32 प्लस pi r दो बोथ यू है then it will be 32 plus 3.14 into 8. So 32 plus 25.12 is equal to 57.12 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the shaded part. Then next question, nine. The wheel of a car is making 5 revolutions per second. If the diameter of the wheel, एक wheel है जिसका diameter दे रखा है that is 2r is equal to 84 centimeter, and this car making 5 revolutions per second. The cart, your wheel, makes 5 per second. Find its speed in kilometer per hour. Speed in kilometer per hour. You have to find it. मतलब ये जो व्हील है, दिस व्हील मेक्स 5 रिवॉल्यूशन पर सेकेंड, एक सेकेंड में 5 रिवॉल्यूशन, 5 बार चक्कर लेता है। डायमीटर ऑफ द व्हील इज 84 सेंटीमीटर, यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हील। तो हाउ टू फाइंड, पहले तो व्हाट इज आर, दैट इज 42 सेंटीमीटर, एंड देन अगर 5 रिवॉल्यूशन लेता है पर सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड, 5 रिवॉल्यूशन इन 1 सेकेंड, सो 1 रिवॉल्यूशन, if 5 revolution in 1 second, then 1 revolution in 1 upon 5 seconds, and 1 revolution in 1 revolution how much distance is covered, एक चक्कर में या एक रिवॉल्यूशन जो होता है उसमें कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होता है व्हील का, इक्वल टू सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल। तो सर्कमफेरेंस इस व्हील का जितना होगा उतना एक रिवॉल्यूशन में जाएगा। इट मींस सो इन 1 रिवॉल्यूशन wheel cover the 2 pi r distance, कितना डिस्टेंस कवर, 2 pi, तो 2 pi r डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1/5 सेकेंड, इसका मतलब 1/5 सेकेंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, 2 pi, तो 5 रिवॉल्यूशन, सीधे सीधे 5 to 10 पाएगा, तो 5 रिवॉल्यूशन कितने, अगर 1 रिवॉल्यूशन 2 pi r डिस्टेंस, तो 5 रिवॉल्यूशन कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी, 10 pi r, तो कवर करेगी। अगर एक रिवॉल्यूशन में 2 pi तो 5 रिवॉल्यूशन, 2 pi r into 5, that is 10 pi r। ये 1 सेकेंड में करती है, 1 सेकेंड। तो व्हाट इज द स्पीड, तो पहले तो हम इसको डिस्टेंस निकाल लेते हैं, 10 into 22/7 into 42, और दिस इज इन सेंटीमीटर, so what you will get, seven six 1320 सेंटीमीटर व्हील कवर इन 1 second। So what is the speed? Speed of the, क्या हो जाएगा, यही तो लिखे पर सेकेंड, दिस इज द स्पीड। अब स्पीड को किलोमीटर पर आवर में करना है, दिस यू हैव टू चेंज इन किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो क्या होगा, 1320 सेंटीमीटर को किलोमीटर में चेंज करना है, हाउ बाय हाउ मच यू हैव टू डिवाइड, किससे डिवाइड करें, 1 upon सेंटीमीटर को मीटर मींस 100 एंड देन किलोमीटर में 1000, सेकंड है ये, सेकंड को आर में चेंज करना है पर सेकंड, तो सेकंड नीचे है इसका मतलब, तो हाउ टू चेंज, 1 upon 60 into 60 ये, और दिस विल गो इन न्यूमरेटर, सो 1320 upon 100 into 1000 into 60 into 60, and this you can write as किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो जो भी कर दो 1 2 3 33, so it will be 33 into 36 by 25, and then simplify it, dimension, and also the questions based on the circle. Area, perimeter of circle, area, perimeter of semicircle, area, perimeter of quarter. These three types of. Okay.